Alright guys, so I'm starting off using a complexion correcting serum and massaging some Moroccan oil on my face. To lock in the moisture, I'm applying my moisturizer and jumping into a mineral veil primer. Remember, this is an important step since it creates a barrier between your skin and the products that you'll be using. I'm using a green color correcting cream and covering up any redness that I don't want seeping through my foundation. We are using a full coverage foundation for this look to create the perfect canvas, but we want to be on the safe side and cancel out any other colors that you don't want appearing. I'm also going in and applying some concealer underneath my eyes, under my nose, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now, I'm using two bronzing contouring colors to bring back some life and dimension to my face. I'm applying this onto the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, underneath my lip, and down my nose. I'm setting all of the concealed areas with some setting powder and jumping into my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I wanted to keep something very natural and sweet, so I decided to keep my eyebrows super thin. What I did was just go ahead and line the bottom part of my eyebrow and using the remaining product to fill the rest of my eyebrow. If there was any area that needed to be concealed, I used the concealer and a small concealer brush to clean it up. Going back onto the face, I'm grabbing a warm tone bronzer and setting all of the cream bronzed areas. And for my highlighter, I decided to use the mix of two, a yellow and a rose gold highlighter. This definitely got the full glow on my face. Now priming my eyes with an eyeshadow primer and setting this for the shadows, my first transitional shade I'm applying will be all over my crease and working it upwards just to make sure everything blends out smoothly. For my first dark shade, I'm grabbing a mix of these two brown shadows and applying them to the outer V of my eye. I'm using first tapping motions and slowly continuing to blend it upwards and outwards. This, I decided to go in little by little, but add as much color as I wanted and make sure I got it until it looked good. After that, I went in using these two darker brown shades and continued using tapping motions, but this time I blended it out side to side. And then, slowly but surely, I was extending it out a little bit more. Instead of using a liquid liner, I decided to use a black eyeshadow instead. So with this, I created the liner and blended it out to make sure the whole eyeshadow look was completely blended. For my inner corner, I went in and cleaned this up using some concealer and topping it off with the gorgeous gold shade. Making sure also to blend out any harsh lines so that we can make it be super blended like I mentioned. I'm also curling my lashes and applying some mascara. For my lash line, I used the same two brown shades and applied the gold shadow underneath my brow bone. To finish the eyes, I am applying my lashes. For the lips, I used a nude lip liner and topped it off with a light pink liquid lip. Using a liquid glitter shadow, I applied these on top of the lips and grabbed some loose glitter and applied it to my inner corner of my eyes and topped it also on the lips. Now jumping into the fun part, I'm applying some glitter glue down my neck and using an oval brush, I'm applying a lot of glitter. all over my neck, making sure I cover each area that would be visible. I also applied glitter glue and glitter down the areas that I contoured on my face. And I wanted to apply some of this glitter onto my hair, but I realized that it wasn't sticking enough. So I grabbed some hairstyling cream and applied this again, using an oval brush and brushing it down my hair. Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Remember how amazing and how beautiful you are and how precious you are. Remember, you were created perfect in the eyes of the one that created you. You were created perfect. You were not meant to be in a place that has been destroyed or anything like that, but a place where gold flows, where beauty flows, and it all starts within. So remember to always hold on to yourselves, hold on to that beauty that makes you you, and continue shining so bright, so immensely from inside out. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever it is, and I will see you all on my next video.